Hi guys, how are you today? I'm Jessie. I have the hiccups. And I'm going to show you a surefire way to get rid of them. That takes seconds to get rid of them instead of longer. I hate the hiccups. So what you want to do is you want to take a bottle of water. And, let's see if I can do this. Basically, you want to drink the water like this. Ugh. Pretty sure they're gone now. Chug it. Don't sip it. That's the way to do it. So, next time you have the hiccups, grab a bottle of water and chug it. Chug it until you actually have to catch your breath. And not one hiccup now. So try it out. Check it out. Try it out. I hope this has helped you. Hit the like button, please. And subscribe to my channel so you can see all my cool videos. So, have a wonderfully beautiful day. Sayonara.